Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome to ZENSOUL, your oasis of tranquility. Find a cozy spot and lovingly shut your eyes. It's time to journey within, tuning into the magic of your breath and the gentle embrace of your body. Let your breath flow effortlessly, filling you up with every inhale and releasing all worries with each exhale. Take a moment to soak in the miracle of life, the gift of oxygen that sustains you. You, my friend, are worthy just because you are. No need to prove anything to anyone, especially yourself. You exist, and that's more than enough. Feel that sweet connection to Mother Earth and every living being. You're part of this cosmic dance, a delightful union of souls. Embrace the wonder, belonging, and love that emanate from this divine oneness. We are all interconnected, woven together in the beautiful tapestry of existence. Release the past, dear one. Step into a new reality where harmony, love, and compassion reign. There's no need for battles or defenses here. We're all choosing the path of kindness, peace, and unity. The heart, it's your sacred treasure. Allow love to flow freely from within you, filling every corner of your being. As you do, watch it radiate outward, touching lives, hearts, and souls. Trust in this boundless power of love to guide you on this journey of life. Picture a world where love is the universal language. Hearts are wide open, compassion blooms in every corner, and understanding embraces us all. Imagine this world into existence as you join the cosmic co-creation. Take a moment to cherish yourself for embracing this blissful experience. You are a radiant beacon of love and unity, and for that, we're ever so grateful. When you're ready, slowly flutter those beautiful eyes open. Welcome back to the enchanting world around you. Carry this serenity with you throughout your day, knowing that love and harmony reside within your soul. Want more soul-soothing meditations? Hit that subscribe button and join our ZENSOUL community. Share this meditation with someone who needs a little dose of peace. Together, we'll send ripples of love and tranquility to every corner of the world. Take a deep breath and appreciate the journey within yourself. You are a spark of divinity, and the world is brighter with you in it. Keep shining, lovely soul.